So we are officially unemployed. Okay, maybe not that serious. If you guys have been following our journey, then you know that last week we shut down our retail business that housed our hair salon, our manufacturing company, and just like our reception areas, customer service area, everything. So we shut down our 4,500 standalone business to go all online so that my sister and I could move overseas, live our dreams, to build our business without being stuck to one place. So when I say unemployed, I mean we ain't got no place to go. All of our business for right now is still gonna be taken care of like through the computer. We still have to pack orders. We're doing that out of our house for now. For the last 4 years, we were doing it out of a really large space. And right now, while we're in this interim period before we find a factory overseas, we're gonna be doing all of that stuff right in the homestead. So we're definitely downsizing. So while we're not technically unemployed, it feels like it. Because instead of going to work, right now we're at work. This the workspace. This everything right now. So that's different. So what do you do on the first day of unemployment? I'm calling it unemployment. I feel like it'll encourage us to quickly get to our goals so that we don't feel the way I'm feeling right now, which is a little lost. I'm used to going to work. Right now I ain't going nowhere. So today we're gonna clean. If you can see our house, I'm not even trying to show you how dirty it is. It's absolutely insane. We've lived really on the fly. Nicole, we've lived really on the fly, always going into the workspace super early, staying super late. So we never clean, which is pretty bad. We've never really cleaned ever. Sometimes we'll have a cleaning lady come in. Sometimes we'll just get so tired of it, we'll do it ourselves. But since we're starting this new journey, we're gonna start off with a clean house. And that's what we're doing today. Those, can you see? That's those like buggies, 3 buggies. Those all came from crap in the car that we've just been holding. So that was step 1, clean out the car. Step 2, clean the kitchen, living room, rooms. And step 4, the biggest step of them all, cleaning out Nicole's closet. You guys are in for a treat. That's going to be a huge transformation. And we're going to finish it today. We have wanted to clean out her closet forever. And today it's happening.
Oh, hey y'all. It's a cleaning day. I know you already checked in with Tony. Woo. Let me backtrack. Cleaned up the kitchen and the living room. So everything is looking good. And now on to my closet, which is always crazy. I clean it probably like every 6 months because it takes forever and it looks insane right now. And I think Tony just dropped a whole bunch of extra stuff in there, but it looked crazy before. So let's look at it. My closet is insane. Usually it's color coded, but right now there's just so much stuff all over the floor. So I have to take everything out, clean it, hang it, fold it, whatever it. There's like an insane amount of stuff in there, and since we'll be moving, I'm gonna take this opportunity to like throw a whole bunch out. I can only say take it to Goodwill if I really intend to, because like a year ago when I cleaned my closet, I put a whole bunch of stuff for Goodwill and it's literally still like behind this door. So if I don't intend to actually take it, it's going in the trash. But this is my crazy closet. That's a thumbnail. It's insane in there. It's insane. So I want to get started. I guess now just pulling everything out one by one. It's a mess. It's a total mess. OMG. So ridiculous. So ridiculous. But it's gonna get clean. So I'm gonna put on my I have to clean up my room too. Just a little bit though, it's not that dirty. I'm going to put on my record player and listen to some music. Hey, I got money down here. That's so great. Y'all, I literally found $100 earlier today, and there's $60 down there. I found $160 today. That is so freaking crazy. Tony,
Yeah.
I just found $60.
Oh my God.
I am like
Rich.
on a roll.
Give me the money. That's why you don't know what to do with no money. You
Right.
just lose it.
It's ridiculous. So.
Find more.
Right, I need to find more. I did have like $2 over there. I didn't give it to her though. You never know when you need like $2. So I'll keep this. This wasn't really hidden. Might be like 3 or 4. Anywho, I'm gonna turn on some music and got my Valentine's Day balloons back there. And my birthday balloons too. Still got them.
By the time I read that.
What?
Well,
You what? Oh, okay. Thank
what are the odds this is getting finished today?
you. Is that and that's why
It's going to get finished. That's why she always quits, but it will finish. This is the trash she has so far. Hold on. This is the trash she has so far. I'm gonna take that out along with, this is a bag, super random bag of, she was going through like old makeup bag of all this MAC stuff. It's like 50 pieces, you know. Every 6 pieces you get a free lipstick. We have a lot of lipstick I'm throwing out. But it's like 50 pieces of MAC stuff that I need to take to MAC to get some free items. This is also some trash. Not to mention 3 huge bags I took down earlier. So yay, cleaning day. Well, you would think because nothing's on the floor that the closet is clean. But Nicole said catch her on day 2. It is much better if you can't tell. Oop. No, we didn't finish. But I mean, she didn't finish. I finished, but she almost finished. Okay, Hangtown. Mine is sewn down. Anywho, alright, bye vlog.
Bye. Good night.